Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow less secure apps in Gmail. First, go to the Google account homepage. Select Security from the left-hand menu. Scroll down and click Two-Step Verification. Click Turn On, then follow the prompts to verify using a phone or SMS. After enabling two-step verification, stay in the security section. Use the search bar at the top and type in app passwords. Select app passwords from the results. Enter the name of the app or device. Click Generate to receive a 16-digit app password. Use this app password when signing into the app instead of your regular Gmail password. And that's it. That's how to allow less secure apps in Gmail by using app passwords. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.